In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to write a simple code to determine if a number is even or odd. As you know, one of the characteristics of even number is if a number is divisible by 2 without any remainder, an even number. But if it is indivisible by 2, then it's an odd number. So we are going to write our program. First thing we are going to do is we are going to create an input function, and it's going to be an integer. So the next thing we do is to say if number modulus 2 is equal to 0, print else. Okay, so what we are going to do is we are going to run the code. So when we run the code, we are going to enter any number 1. So let me enter 4. So as you can see, it says it's even. So let's enter another number. Let's enter 7. And she says it's odd. So this is simple code. We will simply explain to you, I will simply show you how you can know or determine if a number is even or odd. Thanks for watching.